Hey guys, my name is Kenny. I've been using the Ordinary Niacinamide for 6 months now, and I'm going to show you my results, as well as show you side-by-side comparisons over the months. So I've been putting this on pretty much every day for the past 6 months, and I'm still not done with the bottle. This is the 60 ml bottle, and I still have a good amount left. So when I first started using this, I made a few mistakes. I used to put the dropper directly on my face, which is not something you're supposed to do. And besides that, I was also using way too much. So first I'm going to show you my entire routine, which includes this. I first start by washing my face, and I use this, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. This was on sale during Black Friday, which is why I got it again. But if you want to follow exactly what I was doing the last 6 months, I was using the Kiehl's Facial Fuel Cleanser. So after I wash and dry my face, I then applied the Ordinary Niacinamide. You really only need like 2 to 3 drops to get it all over your face. I used to put way more than that, and you could tell it was too much. If your face gets really sticky, then you know you used too much. Just put 2 to 3 drops on your fingers and then apply. When you first put it on, you might notice a glow on your face, and that's the first thing that I noticed. I used to get small white flakes on my cheeks that you could see if you looked very closely. But when I started using the niacinamide, for some reason it went away. And every time I applied, it leaves a glow in those same spots. Some people are wondering if you can use this with vitamin C, and there's really mixed opinions about that. Some people say you can't use both of them because they would clash and you would lose all the benefits. But other people say it's completely fine to use both. So if you wanted to use both on your skin, I would say go for it and test it out. But make note of any changes to your skin, whether it's good or bad. I currently don't use vitamin C right now, and I only use this before my moisturizer. So after applying the niacinamide, I've been using the CeraVe moisturizing cream. And I've been using this for most of my 6 months. I only recently switched to this moisturizer, and this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. So with the niacinamide and using these products, this is what my skin looks like. And this is a comparison of what my skin looked like when I first started using it, compared to now. And this is what my skin looked like 4 months in compared to now. There are studies that suggest that niacinamide can make your skin brighter, so I want you guys to let me know if my skin does look brighter compared to older photos. Or just let me know if you see any changes that are better or worse on my skin. Niacinamide is also supposed to help with oil production on your face. It helps the oil on my forehead, but it doesn't really help the oil on my nose. Even though it doesn't really do much for that, at least it helps a little bit compared to doing nothing. And back to the brightening aspect of niacinamide. I believe it does also help with dark spots on your face. But if you want more of an effective way of brightening your dark spots, I say combine this with retinol. Combining both has definitely helped my dark spots on my face. You can either combine both or use retinol on its own because that has its own set of benefits. So after using this for 6 months, I can definitely say that I will continue to use this. And it's going to stay in my routine for a while. I believe the best part about this is the price, because I got this for around $7. So $7 for this bottle, and I still haven't finished it yet. So at that price, I think everybody should try it out. Again, my name is Kenny. Like this video if I helped you out, and subscribe for more videos just like this.